To our channel. In today's video, we are starting the next job series, and this will be the first phase of production. In this remodel, we opened up a wing wall that separated the kitchen from the living room, and in doing so, we were able to add enough space within the kitchen to add an island with seating. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The next video will be the big reveal and you won't want to miss it, so make sure that you're subscribed. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looked like prior to demolition. We are just getting started with the demo. Plastic has been put up to isolate the kitchen from the rest of the house. Everything has been removed from the space, and the wing wall separating the kitchen and living room has been removed and reworked to expand the opening. The plumbing and electrical rough-in has been completed. The drywall has been hung, patched, and repaired for paint. The floor in the living room and kitchen were different heights, so we had to build up the kitchen floor to make them level. The engineered hardwood being installed is UA4's Soho Hickory Brown. The floor installation is complete and we covered it to protect it. In the next video, we will pick back up with the cabinet installation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.